Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Cultivate wisdom. You don't have to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market boys, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 36, Nasdaq off 32, S&P's off 1.5, gold contract down $3.80, trading at $12.6760 an ounce. Silver down 28 cents, $16.94 an ounce. Platinum up $4.20 at $9.44 an ounce. Copper down 3.5 pennies at $2.61 a pound. Light sweet crude up 22 cents, $46.05 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 3 ticks, 126.17. 30-year bond down 5 ticks, 155.12. Both notes and bonds, bottom line, rejected lower price once again, had lighter volume. They want higher price, lower yield. We get the Federal Reserve statement that's going to be coming out on the 14th. So that's going to be Wednesday at 2 o'clock. The market expectation is that they are going to raise short-term rates. That's a bank-to-bank rate, 25 basis points or 1/4%. King dollar up. King dollar down 84 ticks, 97.155. King dollar continues to have a hard time, folks, getting up into and over the 97.275 level. And that level in itself is like so anemic, and so it should be so easy to get over, but King dollar just can't catch a bid. The euro is trading at 112 to the US dollar. The yen is at 109.90 to the US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get a sideways market out here today. The SPY only closed down 6 cents. Bottom line, I do expect what you're going to see is that before we get to a higher high, that you're going to see this low get tested from Friday. We get downtown Friday, $241.97. That wants to get tested. The Dow Industrials, same type of setup in the Dow. And the Dow Industrials out here, sideways move. You're down $36, big deal. You're at 21,235. What I do expect is you'll see the 21,159 get tested. Now, the composite and the NDX 100, those babies got some trouble in paradise happening. So the composite out here today, you talk about another expansion in volume, was pretty wild. The composite did 3.1 billion shares on Friday. Today we did 2.5 billion shares. You get down to 61.10. You closed at 61.75, so nice move there. No two ways about that. That being said, guess what? We'll put the Qs up. What you're going to see out here, the Qs did 101 million shares. You did 109 on Friday. You're going into your swing points out here from May 17th and 18th, which were high volume lows that wanted to get tested. This low today inside the NDX 100, I expect it's going to get tested again. This thing is building cause now to blow away the swing point from May 18th, which is 135.87, and more than likely it's going to go right after that gap, because you don't get a lot of monster gaps inside the Qs, but we do have a monster one from the 21st of April. So that first number there is 132.78. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract and silver contract, they both need a bid. What we got out here today is that you got to a low of 1265. We're 1267. Now, the cool thing is that at least it got over 1266.70 again. The volume was lighter, and that's what we needed. You're coming into the strength from the June 2nd. The low of that day was 1261.30. I'd like to see this baby get some strength tomorrow, and it's real possible that we will, because I'm gonna go over to the yen first before we go into the bonds. So the correlation between gold and the yen. What the yen did out here, folks, is this. So the yen has been strong all day long. that correlation hadn't got into the gold contract. So we'll see how this shakes out tonight in Japan. If we go take a look at the Nikkei, and so the stronger that the yen gets, the more problems the Nikkei has getting to higher price. And what we did do last night, which is there Monday morning, the Nikkei traded down $104. Right now you're at 19,908. Now that's still in the higher range. 19,920. No, 19,668. So, approximately 230 points lower, we'll get that in the lower range. What we did do is that volume wasn't that big. It was an expansion. It was an expansion of volume, but it would need much higher volume in order to stay at the lower price. Bonds. We go over to the bond market. We look at the 10-year yield first. What you have on the 10-year right now, it's trading 2.2 on the 10-year. What we did out here today is that you rejected lower price at the 126.06. You had 1 million contracts. That's light contract volume inside the bond market. We were coming into 1.5 million contracts. The low of that strength from the June 2nd area is 126.04. We got to 126.06 today. Had 1 million contracts versus 1.5. That's saying higher prices are coming at us. 30-year did the exact same type of setup. 30-year out here got down to 153.25 today. Let's just say this. We did volume of 226,000, which was going into 323,000. And good old King Dollar that just can't catch a bid. King Dollar out here caught a bid last Thursday off the bottom. Guess what? Just couldn't handle it. So what you have here is, King Dollar, when we take a look back, 6 months ago, it's trading at 103.75. Bottom line, King Dollar is building cause to get down to the 95. And we'll see if it can hold that 95. But it actually looks like is that next couple of months we have 91 coming up on it. And a lot of that's going to have to do with the Federal Reserve and how many more times they're going to raise short-term interest rates. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. We had the Dow Industrials finished down 36, NASDAQ off 32, S&P's down 2. We're going to be right back.